Today, we're continuing the series Becoming a Money Magnet. Over the past sessions, you've been uncovering and releasing the hidden patterns that block money from flowing into your life. You've become aware of how you may have been pushing money away. You've started creating safety around having more. You've shifted your ability to receive, and you've begun moving from scarcity into abundance. And today, we're bringing all of that together into one final and powerful shift, fully stepping into the identity of a money magnet. Because at the end of the day, this isn't just about techniques or strategies. It's about who you believe you are. And when your identity changes, your thoughts, your actions, and your results naturally follow. So today, we're going to lock in that identity and allow it to feel natural, grounded, and real. Before we begin tapping, let's briefly talk about how EFT works. EFT stands for Emotional Freedom Techniques. And it combines focused awareness with tapping on specific acupressure points on the body, like this. These points are connected to the body's meridian system. When you focus on a belief or emotional pattern while tapping, your nervous system begins to calm and the emotional charge around that belief starts to dissolve. Over time, this allows your brain to update old programming and create a new identity and relationship with money that feels natural and automatic. Now let's go through the tapping points so you can follow along. We start at the karate chop point on the side of the hand. And then we move through the sequence, the inside of the eyebrow, the side of the eye, under the nose, the chin, the collarbone, under the arm, and on the top of the head. Once we reach the top of the head, that completes one round. And then we again begin at the eyebrow point. You can tap on either side of your body. You can use one hand or two hands. I prefer two hands because I just feel like I get more out of it. And you can use two or three fingers, whatever feels most natural and comfortable for you. Take a slow breath in through your nose and exhale slowly. Close your eyes and imagine yourself already living as the version of you who is a money magnet, not trying to become that person, but already being that person. See your life, your income, your opportunities, and your freedom at a higher level. Notice how you think, how you feel, and how you carry yourself. Now notice if any part of you resists this. Does anything feel unrealistic, out of reach, or not meant for you? Ask yourself on a scale from 1 to 10, how much do I believe this is who I can truly become? Just notice the number without judgment. Now take another slow breath in. Exhale. Now begin tapping on the karate chop point and repeat after me. Even though part of me doesn't fully see myself as a money magnet yet, I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though I've been living inside an old identity around money, I choose to become aware of it. Even though part of me feels like this isn't who I am yet, I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. This doesn't fully feel like me yet. This version of me feels unfamiliar. Part of me still doubts it. Part of me questions it. Part of me doesn't fully believe it. All these old identity patterns, All these beliefs about who I am, keeping me where I've been. Part of me is used to my current level. This is what feels normal. And anything beyond it feels uncomfortable, feels unfamiliar, feels unrealistic. All this resistance to becoming more, all this hesitation, keeping me in the same identity. What if I could become more? What if I could expand who I am? What if this could be me? What if I've been underestimating myself? Maybe I'm capable of more. Maybe I can step into something bigger. Maybe I can allow my identity to expand. Maybe I can grow into this. I am allowed to grow. I am allowed to evolve. I am allowed to have more. I am allowed to become more. This doesn't have to feel impossible. It can start to feel normal. It can start to feel natural. It can become who I am. I am expanding into this version of me. I am becoming a money magnet. I am stepping into this identity. I'm allowing this to be who I am. Money flows to me naturally. Opportunities come to me easily. I am open to more. I am ready for more. This is who I am becoming. This is who I am. I am a money magnet. I attract more money. I receive more money. I allow more money. I hold more money. This is my new identity. Take a slow breath in. Exhale. Close your eyes again and imagine yourself fully living as this version of you. See yourself moving through your day with certainty, confidence, and calm. Notice how you think differently, how you make decisions differently, and how you respond to opportunities differently. Imagine money flowing into your life naturally, and instead of questioning it, you expect it, you trust it, you allow it. Feel what it's like to be grounded in this identity, where having more money feels normal, where receiving feels easy and where abundance is simply part of who you are. Let that feeling settle deeply into your body as if this is now your baseline. Take one more breath in. Exhale. Before continuing your day, drink some water. This kind of work shifts your internal state and your nervous system. And staying hydrated helps your body integrate these changes more effectively. And thank you for doing this work because the more you step into this new identity, the more your reality begins to reflect it. And that's when everything changes and you truly become a money magnet. Thanks for being here.